Hi everyone, this is live experiential host Rubaru, Mr. India, Mr. West Bengal, Ankit Shaw, and I'm really happy to be at Skin Vita Clinic. So let's just get inside first. Of course, we have to sanitize our hands. They're going to check the temperature, and they're maintaining the best possible measures during this COVID-19 times. So let's get inside. So here we are inside this Skin Vita Clinic, and you can see this is a one-stop solution to all the aesthetic, medical and hair and skin issues. So I'm really glad to be here. So you can see this is the consultation chamber where everybody's sitting and they're waiting for their time, and once they get the consultation they will move on to the next step, which is treatment. Now this is the reception area. Let's move on to the next area. Hi everybody, this is the first chamber which I visited here at the Skin Vita Clinic, which is the laser station, where there are so many other chambers in the same room, where they have Fraxis Duo CO2, which is MNRF, which also has the Spectra XTQ, which also has HIFU. There is another chamber here which is the Intragen great radio frequency, so which is absolutely good for skin tightening. It is also great for acne scars removal, pore tightening. So let me show you around. These are the machines which are being used for these professional treatments. This is another, the pore tightening and acne cleansing machine. Let's come on to the next one. You can see there is a ma'am who's already getting her treatment done. She's the client here, and we have a professional doctor who is doing the treatment here of the pore tightening. Let's move on to the next chamber, which is the last one, which is really great for skin and for the glow and removal of the acne scars, pimples, and so this is the whole chamber is all dedicated towards the skin. Now we are here at the next chamber, which is the dermosurgery or electrosurgery room, where with using this machine, small surgeries are done, be it like mole or maybe a mark. So all of these are being treated in this chamber. This is the third chamber, which is the procedure room, which is the OT, operation theatre, where the fat reductions are being done here, and which is absolutely professional here. You can see the hygiene and cleanliness is maintained to the best. And we also have a patient here. He's going through a treatment here. So we'll move on to the next chamber now. Hey guys, we are at the aesthetic room. We have with us the esteemed Dr. Shakira. And ma'am, we would want to know what are the treatments done here in this chamber.
So this is our aesthetic room. All kind of aesthetic procedures like chemical peeling, medifacial, aquafacials, microneedling, derma pen, all kinds of procedures are done here.
Hey guys, now we are moving on to the next room, which is dedicated towards the hair treatment. Well, we all know there are issues with especially men and women when their stem cells of the hair starts falling. They have very weak hair follicles, and they have dandruff issues, black dandruff in the hair, split ends are there. So these are being treated here in this special chamber, which is dedicated towards the hair treatment. Hi everyone, this is live experiential host Rubaru, Mr. India, Ankit Shaw, and I'm here at the Skin Vita Clinic, and I have with me esteemed doctor, the consultant dermatologist, Mr. Sachin Verma, and I'm really happy to be here with him. And so basically for all of these years I have terrible issues on my skin. I had redness, I had pimples, I have acne issues on my skin, and all my followers, everybody knows about how much of cosmetics I have to apply during my stage appearance, during my shows, and you are the best person to treat me up.
See, there are two aspects on your face if I see clearly.
Yeah.
One is, of course, you have old acne scars, which you have had acne in the past and probably either it was treated late or you had severe acne, so it is left behind scars. So for the people where the acne scars are left behind, there are various treatments available. For example, we can do derma rollers, we can do derma pen, microneedling, we can do CO2 laser, we can do fractional lasers, We can do fractional skin resurfacing, microneedling, RF. So there are plenty of treatments available which can cure your acne scars permanently, or at least 80 to 90% reduction in acne scars. We can even do subcision, scar revision, removal of scars. So there are so many treatments available. But as I see from your face, you have deep pitted scars which requires a treatment like a CO2 laser. So today we'll be demonstrating how a CO2 laser can help cure acne scars permanently. So this is a CO2 laser machine. As I said, this is a US FDA approved CO2 laser. It is Flaxis Duo, it is called. It is one of the lasers which is one of the best in its class. And we have the CO2 laser machine. This is, you can come here. We have, this is the screen of the CO2 laser, how we decide what settings are going to be set, so we can decide what is the depth of the scar, the shape of the scar. So here you can see if the shape of the scar is round, we can have the laser being round. If the shape is half of hemisphere, we can hit on the half of hemisphere, like there is a shape here. And here, depending on the depth of the scar, we can determine what energy is required. So if the scar is very, very deep, you require higher energy. If the scar is superficial, you require less energy. Then the distance between the two scars, we can change. How much should be the distance between the holes of the CO2 laser? So here we have a very advanced machine in which we can change even the shape of the scar depending on how the scar is. If the scar is oval, we can make it oval. If the scar is round, we can make it round. We can make it rectangular. So we can change. Here you see this is hexagonal, this is kind of thing. If you want, you can change, you see. Now this is a gentleman where we are going to do a CO2 laser. We are taking a scar, making it a rectangle because the scars are bigger, and we are going to demonstrate a CO2 laser to you so that the scars can get better. You must understand this requires 4 sessions, 4 to 5 sessions. Goggle for CO2 laser, this is what I will wear. And then we will do a CO2 laser shot here. So it is slightly tender, as you can see, if the patient is not experienced for a laser. So what we are doing is we are slightly reducing the dose. And we will now do the laser again. Oh my God. And it's done. So this side is done. And we'll go for scars on this side. See, he has an old accidental or an injury scar also. This also can be cured. After the CO2 laser is done, to reduce the pain, we are going to apply some ice pack and then sunscreen, then he's good to go. Apply some ice pack, please. Alright, you let me know the result after 4 weeks. Nice meeting you.
Thank you, sir.
And we'll take care. Bye-bye. Shake hands.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Well, my treatment is done here by doctor himself, and I can still feel the itchiness, the redness on my skin. It will consist to be on my skin for almost 2 days, and I'm really excited to see the skin, the texture, because the treatment already is absolutely great for the skin. So let's see what the treatment goes in 2 days.